Today we're going to work in terminal mode. It's pretty easy to get to. Just click on the top icon up on the left, and from there you'll see a whole list of applications in which terminal should be one of them. If not, just type term. So once you get to an open window, it looks like the old command prompt, if you've known that from Windows. And first thing I'm going to type is PWD, which stands for Print Working Directory. Just lets you know where you are, in case you're not sure. Now, if you wanted to make a new directory, like for instance one called 114 Notes, I would do mkdir. That's the make directory command. Linux commands are case sensitive, so when I write mkdir, lowercase letters, that's exactly what I mean. To get into that directory, I would do cd to change directory. That's how I would get into there. Now, if I want to see what's in that directory, I already put some stuff there. So ls is the list command, but I like to do -l as an extra parameter, the long format. That way I can see the names of the files, who created it, when it was last saved. I can also see the permissions, read, write, and execute on that. Now, if I wanted to change some of those permissions, it's called change mode. That's the chmod command. And you'll notice here I did change mode +x, and I listed the mysecretcommands.bat file. So I'm making that an executable. And if you look over on the left, you can see the read-write permissions have changed, and now the three individual, group, and world all allow for execution +x. Now cd space ... needs to have that space in there. That is to change to the parent directory. And if you're still again curious where you are, pwd, we know that will get you show you where you are. Now cd tilde, again with a space between it, that little tilde command is usually on the key above the tab key over on the far upper left corner. That tilde symbol means change to the home directory. A few other things we have here on our system that are going to prove useful is an Office suite. It's called LibreOffice, and it's a clone of Microsoft. Not a perfect clone, it's compatible, not perfectly compatible, but we have LibreOffice Writer, and we have LibreOffice Calc for spreadsheets, and we have LibreOffice Impress for PowerPoint presentations, and they can be saved in the Microsoft format for those. So if you need to do that, that's not a problem. Another program we have is GIMP. That's going to be very useful. You may have seen it on the Windows computers. It's the GNU image manipulation program, so GIMP, and very useful for editing photos and screenshots and so on. Now, graphically, if I wanted to, I could just go on the File Manager, which is just the second button over in the upper left, and it will allow me to click into the 114 Notes folder, which is the equivalent of cd space 114 Notes. And if I wanted to add a folder, I could do that by right-clicking and adding the folder and then renaming it. That's the graphical equivalent of mkdir. Now you'll notice in this case I've got a few files there, one of which is called myphoto.jpg. The reason I've got that highlighted is because I'm going to then type rm and the name of that file, myphoto.jpg, and you'll see it disappears in the background there because rm is the command to remove a file. And that'll get us through for today.